Hello guys, so today in this video I'm gonna talk about a very famous, a very largest website named Inverter Market. So what kind of website or market is that? It's an affiliate marketing website, and you can see web themes and templates, code, video, audio, graphics, photos and 3D files. And that means people from all over the world, they come into this website and they buy things. If they need web themes, they buy web themes. If they need code, they buy code. If they need videos, they buy videos. If they want audio, they buy audio, and they buy graphics, they buy photos, and they buy 3D files. And now what's the benefit of use and what can you do? So all you have to do is just open an account and become an affiliate marketer. So you have to scroll down below to the website, and at the bottom, and you can see that become an affiliate. Click on this button. The new Inverter Market affiliate program has been landed, bigger, better and more powerful than ever. Come join us. Inverter Market is the world's largest creative marketplace, selling millions of digital assets every year with 30% affiliate commission. Earning money has never been easier. Inverter affiliates earn more than 3 million per year. So amazing. So number 2 is earn 30% commission on any first purchase you refer. So if you refer a person, or any person use or buy anything, any item from your referral code, you will get 30% from the commission. Powered by the industry leading platform and impact radius. Quick and easy integration gets set up in just minutes. Full access to our highest performing banners to help you earn more. Monitor your performance and earning via your own dashboard. So how does it work? When a user clicks your referral link, sign up for a new account and makes a first purchase via any Inverter Market site, you will receive 30%, as I have already said. So number 1, create your account. Number 2, link to Inverter. Number 3, send us traffic. Number 4, earn money. That's all you need. So what are you waiting for then? Okay, click on the tab here. Okay, here are the account informations. You have to set up your language. So I'll set English United Kingdom. It's up to you whether you choose English, or it's up to you. So you can see that account display name. You have to on the name here. You have to put on the website, country name, bank location, country, currency and time zone, state address, city, state, zip and postal code and phone number. And after all of this, putting the number and putting the information here, you have to click on the button continue, and you will get your referral links and referral codes. And people from this website, if they use that referral code of yours, and you will get 30% of the money. So suppose if they buy a $200 item, you will get side. If they buy $200 item, if you will get $60 without any problem. So that's it. That's how you can earn money. So without making any longer video, I don't want to waste your time anymore. So let me show you the Alexa website, and you can see how popular and famous this website is. So now you can see Alexa traffic ranks. Global rank is 1069. That means you can you imagine how this website is so bigger, so famous, and you can see that rank in United States is 1021. So it's, I think so, very popular and famous website, and you can earn money by just affiliating. That's all. Thank you for watching the video.